Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by replacing weak batteries and getting the TV or receiver remote in hand. This matters because the Apple TV remote learns IR codes from that remote. Once done, go straight to Settings Right Arrow Remotes and Devices Right Arrow Volume Control on the Apple TV. Make sure HDMI-C is enabled on the TV for pass-through options, but we are teaching the remote IR codes now. Position yourself about 1 to 2 feet apart, pointing remotes at each other, and follow the on-screen prompts. Now you run the learning sequence. Pick Learn New Device and choose whether you're teaching volume to a TV or a receiver, because each device uses different IR codes. When the prompt appears, press and hold the corresponding button on the original remote until the Apple TV registers it. Do this for volume up, volume down, and mute in sequence. Keep the remote steady and close. Short, firm presses may not register. If a code fails, try re-aiming and repeating that specific button immediately. Finish by saving the learned profile and testing volume control across a few apps so you confirm consistent behavior. If a specific function fails, retry only that button's learning step. Sometimes re-aiming or a slightly longer press fixes it. If repeated attempts fail, clear remote settings and repeat the whole learning process, because old profiles can conflict. And if nothing works, try a different original remote model or contact Apple support. There may be a hardware fault with the remote's IR emitter.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.